Well, I really feel that beauty doesn't stop at 40. I can honestly say I think it only gets better. My name is Jamie. I'm 62 years old. I've been with Sephora for 18 years now, and I'm just getting started. My journey with Sephora, well, it kind of started when I was a single mom for a very long time, and one of my coworkers says, you know, we're gonna go to Sephora. I said, that sounds wonderful, what is that? And I just loved it. I work with all these beautiful, wonderful 20 to 30-year-olds. I'm not 20, and I have wrinkles, but I like that because I can speak to them. It's very empowering to make women over 30 and 40 feel really good about themselves, because it's not easy. It's not easy talking about your wrinkles and going through menopause. And you know, you look back on pictures of yourself, go, oh my gosh, you know, I remember being that person. When somebody walks away and tells you, I've never felt beautiful before, and you've done that for them, it goes beyond lipstick. It's healing someone's soul. Oh, I think I totally belong with Sephora. I mean, I think I'm humble and kind and strong, and I am Sephora.